Hello everybody, my name is Kaltwasser. I am a bikini competitor, 3-time Miss Bikini Olympia, and fitness model-ish. Anyway, I'm shooting today with Brett. I'm really excited. He's my favorite photographer, and we're about to make some Mo Evan magic. Son, stay tuned.
What are we shooting today?
We're doing some jungle-ish. We're in the middle of the jungle, so we're about to get crazy with it.
Crazy.
And Brett is gonna help me pose so I don't have a flat butt.
What you're gonna learn today is how to make someone without a booty look like they got a booty. For example, no booty.
No booty.
Flat like an Asian. Partially Korean, I think.
Yes, yeah.
안녕하세요. That was actually pretty good.
12.
12. There are certain things you can do to make the glutes look
Poppin'.
poppin'. So we're gonna try to hopefully show you a few tricks today to help you maximize the glutes for your next shoot, so that way the model is like, damn! Yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
That is about as much natural light as I can do. I gotta bring in the light. Alright guys, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to expand my brain a little bit. So I'm trying to shoot natural light, but I just don't like it. I don't know, it's just not me. So try to go outside your comfort zone for a little bit, but you know, once you get your feel, which I've had my feel, we go back to what I'm used to, strobes.
Hit that bell notification so you stay in that loop.
You can never hurt my pride. I know that I'm on your mind.